On our way to Vienna. Our new Airbnb in Vienna. No shoes allowed in the house, which I love because that's how I was raised. This is the backyard. So of course we came to this local Indian place in Vienna and I ordered myself a vegetarian biryani. He got himself a chicken biryani. Mine came with lots of veggies. Usually when you order vegetarian biryani, the rice to veggie ratio is like
out of whack.
Yeah, there's party going on in my stomach. I love it. Yet another day in Vienna. There's Patrick. He left his coat, so he had to go grab it because it is a little chilly out. Where are we going today?
We're going to the main area.
And then we're gonna go see Patrick's great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather's statue, the Tegethoff statue, in Vienna.
On the bus.
So we stopped by this restaurant. I ordered some pasta because that's one of the few vegetarian options they had with asparagus.
I got the first sauerkraut and kartoffel potatoes.
There is my order. Creamy sauce with milk, he said, and asparagus. There's his...
I already ate half of it.
There's the potatoes. They look delicious. I'm gonna have to try them. Mustard and peppers.
Sauerkraut. And the opera.
And the opera. They're probably rehearsing for something that's going on later, which we'll be sure to check out. Here is where we're heading. Nestroyplatz. Everyone is so well behaved behind these lines.
You're only supposed to be behind the yellow, but everyone's behind the white.
Like everywhere else we've traveled, people are literally right behind that yellow, like, I gotta get in first.
The metro comes in and it honks its horn because people are dangling on the side.
See how they believe in fairness? There's no gates.
They think that people should be honorable. When you're in Paris and when we're in Rome and everywhere else, there's like a gate. So you can't go, even in Athens where we are.
Everywhere, all the cities we've been to so far in Europe.
You really just believe that everyone, why would you cheat? That's what people believe, you know.
Walking toward the Tegethoff statue. I'm excited. I'm really excited to get a picture there. My babies and cestas.
So what I know about Admiral Tegethoff is not much, but I'll tell you, he was one of the commanders of the Habsburg Navy. There was a time where actually the Habsburg Empire was so big that we had a few spots where we fought at sea. And Tegethoff, he was actually one of the generals who fought in the Battle of Litza. Was it Battle of Litza? I don't know the year, I'm sorry about that.
That's okay.
And he won against the Italians, so yeah. So we had a lot of wars against the Italians too. They tried to become independent from the Habsburgs and we had to fight them. So that's all I know, I'm sorry.
No, that's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I ordered the cake Patrick's mother told me to order. And it's pronounced
Sacretorte.
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 Okay.
So
And he's getting ice cream. Here's my Sacretorte. Looks delicious. Ooh. So rich. Very chocolatey. So we got a free tour. 2 tickets.
Free tour.
So we can actually say he's still alive, although he is of course long dead. We see him on pictures, on delicious chocolate balls that we can buy.
We booked a 3-hour tour via Good Tours Vienna. The tour itself is free, but you are encouraged to tip your very knowledgeable guide at the end of the tour.
Save me a sip.
Quick break. Oh, what?
A sip. You already drank 90% of it. Oh my god, Raksha. Cathedral, symbol of Vienna.
You'll see all the main spots in Vienna, such as the Opera House, St. Stephen's Cathedral, Mozart, Hofburg, and much more.
Came to another Indian place. This time we didn't know it was actually Indian. We
wanted
it was
drinks,
raining.
and they gave us the menu and we said, ooh, we can't say no.
Yeah. This is my kadai paneer. Chicken vindaloo.
I always get the vindaloo. 150 years of the Opera House. So they have a free show tonight.
That usually people would actually pay for to watch, but they're doing this for free because it's the 150th anniversary.
So we'll be back later.
Yeah, it starts at 8:30. Look at this place, it's like crowded full of people. Remember how it was earlier? We went for 2 drinks and this is what happened. We missed our spot.
Can you see anything? View from Raksha's height.
So Patrick convinced me to come to this palace today. It's a museum. We're gonna see the famous painting, The Kiss. Last dinner in Austria until we come back. That's Patrick's barbecue. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Here's my trout with that garlic sauce and lemon and potatoes, parsley. Jeez, this looks so good. My mouth is watering. How is it?
Wonderful.
Excellent. We have an early flight to catch tomorrow back to Athens. We're just hanging out at our Airbnb. It's nice and quiet out here, so. Now we're ready back to Athens.